How we all doing? Okay, so we're gonna do something with this thing at last. It's sitting there long enough on the bench. So I got to the bottom of the no valve heaters. Someone pinched an EF80 out of it. Of all the valves to nick out of an EF80. So there you go. So I'm gonna stick the EF80 into it. Now, when the lads were working on it last, they found that the EHT overwind was gone. Alright. So I'm going to have to get the chassis out, but I'm not going to do it just yet. I'm going to try and power it up and see what the story is with it. And I have here, it's either a doubler or a tripler, I'm not sure. I think it's a tripler, because that'd be the 3 sticks. Possibly. Someone who knows more about these things will comment, I hope. Anyway, I'm going to connect that to the anode of the line output valve and plug it in, and that should give us a bit of EHT, and we'll see what happens. So I'm going to wind it up slowly on the variac whilst monitoring the HT. So I'll set that up and then we'll see how we get on. Okay, so I have it set up here, and I'll show you the story here before we go. This is the HT. This is the AC input. I know it's not 100% because it's sitting upright and that, but that doesn't matter. We just want to have a ballpark idea where the voltage is so we can monitor it. There's the tripler, or the doubler, I think it's a tripler. Just clipped onto the PL81, rectifying the pulses off the top cap there, and the anode connector to the tube. And I have the television just sitting up slightly on its side on an empty Bovril jar, just so I can get in at the side controls, because I have it on its side. Anyway, that's the setup. So we'll go for gold and see what happens. Switched on. Yeah. Alright. We'll lash her up to about 100 volts, I think. And leave it sit there for a couple of seconds and see what it does. Probably won't do a whole lot now till we get up to around 180 or 200, I would imagine. And the thing I'm watching out for here as well, I'm just keeping an eye on the valves when I do get up to full whack, is the decouplers on the valve heaters. They have in these, and with these black tar Phillips caps, they have a nasty habit of just going short like that. So just keep an eye on the brightness of the valves, because I lost a PL504 in a Phillips set there last year. There was a 0.1 big huge black cap, 0.1, and the set came up lovely, and then as I was looking into the back, the PL504 heater just got brighter and brighter and brighter, and then blew open. And you know what the worst thing is? When I checked the cap, it read open circuit, you know, and then so I didn't twig. I stuck another valve in. I went to do the same thing again. So the cap was only breaking down under load, but when it was cold, it read alright. But you just can't trust them. Really, I'll have to take them all out of it. Really, they're no bloody use. So there's nothing happening there yet. So we'll give her another little push on. shove. Oh, there we go. Slowly but surely. So we'll leave her there till it stops climbing, and then we'll slowly progress it as we go along. That's looking good. The sun is shining here again. It was absolutely lashing rain here earlier on. Very heavy rain. Most of the night and this morning. And we went to bring the mother-in-law's dog for a walk there earlier on. We're looking after the dog for a couple of weeks. And it started lashing rain, so we turned back. But we might get out this afternoon. It's a lovely day out there again by the looks of it. So hopefully it'll stay dry for the rest of the day. They're giving bad weather here till Monday, and this is what, Wednesday. So that's not good. I'll give it another little shove on, I think. Slowly coming up though. Slowly coming up. For let's see, we're just over mid. I would say it's about 150 AC going in or around. Bringing up another 20 volts or so. This is exciting stuff. I can see the valve here is low now anyway, so thermionic action going on now. See, some of the valves are starting to conduct the HTs, dropping down a little bit there. One's on the way back up again. It's all sort of stabilising. It's like there's a video on YouTube of Tornado, the British Railway engine, doing 100 mile an hour, and it's sort of like looking at that, although we're flying now 112. We'll give her another little wind up. We don't want to hang around too long because we want the line oscillator to start, otherwise the line output valve will be drawing current. So we don't want to hang around too long. Looking good though. No burning smells and no short electrolytics yet, otherwise that HT would go down rapidly, especially with the high impedance in the rectifier valves. Being so being underrun like that, they wouldn't be able to put any sort of voltage into a short. So give her another little shove now. I hear the line oscillator just trying to start. So I'll bring it on up to about 230. I hear EHT from my tripler. The EHT is probably a bit high, I'd say. Judging by the smell of Corona. Not that word. No, I don't have a signal input here, but I would have been expecting to see a few flashes on the screen even. Right, so I'll go in and get the Aurora, and we'll see if we can get a bit of a signal through it. Okay, so I've been fluting around with this for a while. Don't mind that, I've disconnected that. I didn't get the Aurora, but what I did do is I hooked up my pattern generator to it, the Phillips up here. Alright, and getting nothing on the screen at all, not even a frame collapse or whatever. And it dawned on me, I wonder is the ion trap loose, and it's absolutely loose on the neck. So you can see we have a bit of life there. So there's something going on. So I think we're getting to a stage now where I'll have to start changing caps and things. But there's something going on anyway, so bit of encouragement. I'm going to leave it at that for today now, and I'll keep tiddling along with it. But we have first light, so it's a start, and I'll catch you all again very soon. I'll be putting up different videos in between doing this as well, so this is going to be an ongoing thing for a while, I think. But first light anyway, so we're in business. So I'll catch you again soon. Take care.